Are you tired of being limited to only a handful of networks on your MetaMask wallet? Do you want to dive deeper into the crypto ecosystem and explore chains like Newton? You're in the right place. While MetaMask is famous for Ethereum, its real power lies in its ability to connect to any EVM-compatible chain. You just need the right details. The Newton project, with its focus on community and decentralization, is one of those exciting chains you can easily unlock. Adding a new chain like Newton to your MetaMask wallet is a fundamental skill in Web3. It's the key to interacting with the decentralized applications, or dApps, and tokens specific to that network. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Newton mainnet to your MetaMask in 2 quick ways: the easy, automated method, and the slightly longer but more educational manual method. First up, the easy way, using a community resource like Chainlist. Method 1, the automated approach. Go to Chainlist, head over to a trusted community resource like Chainlist. This site collects and verifies the RPC details for hundreds of EVM networks. Connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button to link your MetaMask. Search for Newton. In the search bar, type Newton or its chain ID, which is 1012. Add the chain. Once the Newton network pops up, click the Add to MetaMask button. Approve and switch. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, asking you to approve the network addition. Click Approve, and then you'll get an option to switch network. Click that, and you are done. Your MetaMask is now connected to the Newton mainnet. But for those who like to understand what's happening under the hood, let's do it manually. Method 2, the manual approach, the details. This method involves entering the network details directly into MetaMask. You'll need the following information for the Newton mainnet, so make sure to copy these accurately. Network name, Newton. New RPC URL, https://global.rpc.mainnet.newtonproject.org. Chain ID, 1012. Currency symbol, new. Block Explorer URL, you can leave this blank, but for completeness, you can find a public Newton Explorer. Here's the step-by-step for the manual process. Open MetaMask, click on your MetaMask browser extension. Access network settings. Click on the current network shown at the top of your wallet. It probably says Ethereum mainnet. From the drop-down, select Add Network. Add manually. On the new screen, scroll to the bottom and click Add a network manually. Enter the details. Now, simply input the Newton network details we just provided into the corresponding fields: network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Save, click Save. And that's it. You'll see a success message and your wallet will automatically switch to the Newton mainnet, ready for you to explore its ecosystem. Now you can hold the native new token and interact with any dApp built on Newton. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.